Today I remember the date is July 17th, 2021. I remember that because I thought of it before doing this vlog this time. I came out to Solitude today just to do some maintenance, maybe build another cairn. I was kind of expecting the water level to be high. I couldn't cross the normal way, which is normally across there. I'll probably mark it on Google Maps or I'll take a picture of it, but basically I had to go all the way down at the other end of that island, and that's the only other shallow spot that I know of that I can cross when the river is this high. Crossed it first to make sure that I wasn't going to fall in, because I do have my laptop in me, and if I fall in, no matter how much I wrap it with garbage bags, I can't risk getting this thing destroyed because this is my only laptop. But anyways, so I crossed once, it was fine, grabbed my stuff, I crossed back, traversed that entire island, and then there's some rapids up here, which is normally dry rocks. I'll probably show you once I cross. But yeah, that part there is normally mostly dry. Then over here some more, and there's the castle. The castle's pretty good, absolutely no damage. Just re-secured some of the shims to make sure that the rocks are going to be in place. I don't know, I'll probably give you a little bit of a tour here. But there's quite a lot of people rafting out here, so let's go take a look at them. And I'd have to say, I normally don't like people putting rocks on my cairns and stuff like that. In certain areas I do, but you have to remember that I've spent 300 hours on this project. My other project landed me in a homeless shelter and $25,000, so you can realize how much sacrifice I'm putting into these projects, my livelihood. So that's kind of why, but I have to say, I do quite enjoy. Someone made a makeshift shelter out of the driftwood. Now that I can appreciate. I kind of smiled and I was like, that's kind of fucking awesome. I think I'm going to leave it there because I don't really need any driftwood here. So, oh, there goes the police. Fire service. But yeah, I thought that was kind of cool. Anyways, let's continue with the tour. So this is the very top of the island. Normally it's a little bit more difficult to get up here during the spring because the geese that end up migrating here and nesting really don't like me that much, because they're not around me as much as the geese that are down by the project, which are used to me, which will fly up to me, fly by my head, etc, etc. So they're used to me, but they're all gone now. It's July, so no more geese left on the island, so I don't have to worry about that. But it's a pretty sweet view up here. Lots of rafters out. I mean, it's a nice day. It's plus 30. I mean, I don't foresee it becoming less than plus 30 in the next 2 months, to be honest with you. But if you like, I can take you on a tour of the entire island. But up to that first sign there, there's the second one. Second one's there. So the first sign over this way is where the project ends. And the project was done 2016, and then those signs were put in 2017. So I wonder what the guys installing the signs must have thought of the project at that time. I don't know. I'd have to ask them. I have no idea who they were. But let's continue the tour. Alright, here's the cross point that I need to take on the way back to the shore. It's on the second island closer to Edworthy Park, which would be north of the city. So the current is a lot less strong here. So, and it's only about, I don't know, belly button deep. But I'm not going to have enough battery power here to finish if I don't stop, so I need to cross the shore and not fall in. Do one more vlog and then that's it. Alright, I made it across. Yeah, that's the island in front. That was safe enough for me to cross. the other islands down there. I'll take another view once I get down there. I have to be very careful with battery power because I'm running low. But yeah, it was quite exciting crossing. I took the wrong way, so I went up to my chest. My backpack ended up getting half wet, so it's a good thing that I covered up the laptop with 3 bags, otherwise I would be fucked. But yeah, you can see the project down there. The rafters have kind of slowed down a bit. But yeah, let's take a walk down there and take a view of the project from there. Alright, I think that's it for today. Just pretty much went out to the island just to tidy things up, fix up any of the rocks that were out of the design, pick up some driftwood, resecure the tower and stuff like that, and that was it for the day. So it was a good day. I want to leave now because I got a 50-minute walk home. So that's a long way, and the majority of it is uphill. Not that I'm complaining because I'm fat and I need the exercise anyways. So that's good. But there it is, Mr. Solitude.
I feel tonight.